It's all right.
Yeah.
Brianna, careful.
Why?
Yeah, don't just let him sit there. He's doing all right.
He's okay.
Yeah, he just moved
He
up.
just wants to be on your shoulder, that's all.
Yeah.
He just wants to be on your shoulder. What do you think about that, huh?
I don't want
Yeah.
bird.
Huh?
I don't want bird.
Why not?
He's afraid.
Well, your sister did it.
I'm afraid.
No, you're not afraid.
Yeah,
You're
I
just
am.
saying that.
Yeah, I think he's right.
Just saying that. Here,
Let's try it out.
come here.
Here, let me hold your pizza. Here,
Come here.
check it
Come
out.
here. Yeah, that's a bird.
Okay.
We have chicken.
We have chickens, yeah. Well, that's not a chicken.
That's nothing like a chicken, boy.
It's a bird, Brianna.
The bird.
Yeah.
It's a pretty bird.
Oh, pretty
Don't
bird.
they have pretty feathers? It's green.
And it's really fluffy.
Yeah, it is.
What's that white one?
I like that one up there too, don't you?
What's that?